Roberts. I'm the director of the Classic Car Restoration Program at Ohio Technical College. Our restoration program is 18 months. We cover all the fundamentals of restoration: bodywork, painting, interior, assembly, mechanical, electrical, brakes, steering, engines. Today I'm going to show you our 1962 Dodge D300 one-ton flatbed truck equipped with a 140 horsepower 225 slant 6 engine. The interior will receive a restoration. The seat will get reupholstered, springs repaired, padding, cushion, vinyl, and the rest of it will receive rust repair, painting. The flatbed wood will be replaced to appear original. Most would see it as scrap, but I see it as a perfect learning opportunity for our future restoration technicians. If you want more information on our classic car restoration program, visit ohiotech.edu.